Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Replay mod in Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Replay mod. Open the first website and you will be redirected to the home page. Click on Download button and a list of Replay mods will be displayed. Download the latest version by clicking on Download Embed. After downloading completes, open the T launcher and click on this folder icon. Now open the mods folder and paste the download mod file inside it. After pasting the file, run Minecraft and you can see that the mod has been installed successfully. And that's how you can download Replay mod in Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.